Imagine biting into a tender piece of chicken bathed in a rich and aromatic garlic butter sauce. This flavorful dish is not only easy to prepare but also transforms a simple meal into an exquisite dining experience. Start with fresh, high-quality chicken breasts. The foundation of any great dish lies in its ingredients. Begin by seasoning the chicken breast generously with salt and pepper, allowing the flavors to sink in. This step enhances the chicken's natural taste, preparing it for the flavorful garlic butter that will follow. As you heat a skillet over medium-high heat, you can almost hear the sizzle as the chicken is added, promising a delightful crispy exterior. Once the chicken is nicely browned on one side, gently flip it over, and the kitchen will soon be filled with an irresistible aroma. At this moment, melt a generous amount of butter in the pan, letting it become the base for the sauce. As the butter bubbles, add minced garlic and watch as it turns golden, releasing its savory scent into the air. To elevate this dish even further, toss in fresh herbs like thyme or parsley, which complement the richness of the garlic butter perfectly. The vibrant greens contrast beautifully with the golden chicken, captivating both the eyes and the palate. As the chicken continues to cook, the garlic butter will caramelize, coating the chicken with a luscious sauce. After approximately 6 to 7 minutes on each side, the chicken will be fully cooked, tender and juicy, ready to absorb the flavors of the garlic and herbs. As you remove the chicken from the heat, allow it to rest for a few moments. This step ensures that the juices are evenly distributed throughout the meat, resulting in perfect succulent bites. To serve, drizzle the remaining garlic butter sauce over the chicken and maybe even spoon some extra sauce over a side of rice or roasted vegetables. The vibrant bouquets of flavor mingle together, ensuring every bite is packed with delight. Garnish with fresh herbs for an inviting presentation that tempts even the pickiest eaters. This garlic butter chicken is not just a meal, it's an experience. It's quick enough for a weeknight dinner, yet scrumptious enough for entertaining guests. Whether paired with a fresh salad or a hearty starch, this dish is bound to impress. So roll up your sleeves and indulge in the sensational flavors of this garlic butter chicken recipe.